Hello everyone, welcome back to the world of drugstore and business management or DSBM. Hope you are all are good in Corona. Stay safe, stay at home, and I hope that you will see my first video on my channel. If you have not seen yet, please go for subscribe to my channel and like the video. As for the first class, I have decided to say about something about business. First, we go for what is business. Definition. It may be defined as several ways. Business an institution organized and operated to provide goods and services to the society under the incentive of private gain. Under the incentive of private gain. Second definition, business is a human activity directed towards producing or acquiring wealth through buying and selling of goods. Business is a human activity directed towards producing, acquiring wealth through buying and selling of goods. And third definition was, business is an activity in which different persons exchange something of profit for mutual profit. Business is an activity in which different persons exchange something of value for their mutual profit. For their mutual profit. It is the basically three ways to define business. There are many ways, 5 or 6 ways to define business. Next, go to the next slide. Scope. What is the scope of business? Business has a very wide scope. Trade is simply business. Trade is simply a business. It includes all activity from production to distribution of goods and service. From production to distribution of goods and service. It also includes the activity like banking, transport, insurance and warehousing. The scope of business also include the activity like banking, transport, insurance and warehousing, which facilitates the production and distribution of goods. All of this business activity may be grouped under two broad headlines. That is, first one is industry and second one is commerce. All the business activity mainly grouped under two headlines. First one is industry, second one is commerce. Both have a vast syllabus in your chapter. Then we will go for next class about industry. Thank you. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon for the next update. Thank you. Next video will be on next Saturday, 4 September 2020 about industry. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.